A dish that spills over in the oven and leaves burnt food stains that are hard to erase is something that can happen to anybody. If you find yourself in this situation, the solution isn't just to simply scrub as hard as you can. Luckily, in a few minutes you'll be able to get rid of these stubborn stains. To do so, you'll need a container made out of Pyrex, a sponge, concentrated white vinegar, baking soda and a tablespoon and some water. First of all, mix a small glass of warm water with 5 spoonfuls of baking soda in order to create a type of dough, and then add a small glass of concentrated white vinegar. Continue mixing until you obtain a sort of foam or a relatively liquid dough. After making sure that your oven is well cooled, take out the lateral grids. Once that is done, apply the mix with your sponge on each stain that needs erasing, even on those which are on the side of the oven. Then put the lateral grids back in and apply the mix on it. Put the central grill back in and put the rest of the mix on top and switch your oven on at low temperature and let the product act for approximately 50 minutes. Once the 50 minutes have passed, the water and vinegar inside the product will have evaporated and the product has acted correctly, and the stains are starting to disappear. This first step can be enough for an oven that doesn't have too many stains. However, the oven in the video who was in a critical state will need a few extra steps. Thanks to a sprayer or a simply bottle, cover the inside of the oven with concentrated white vinegar. The chemical reaction will take off most of the stains. As you can see here, most of it has came off without the need to scrub. Unfortunately, in the case of a really dirty oven, as we have here, it will be necessary to scrub a little bit. With a damp sponge, erase all the stains you can, and you'll see that Universal Stone will once again seem as a miraculous product. We encourage those who have not seen the video on how to make your own Universal Stone to click on the notification of the top right of your screen to watch it and to save money. By using the green side of your sponge, apply Universal Stone on each surface inside the oven and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes have passed, remove it with the green side of your sponge. Rinse the whole with a clean damp sponge and your oven will be good as new. And there you go, the video is finished. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed it, and as usual, I encourage you to let me know by liking the video, leaving a comment, or even by sharing it to the people around who you know it may help. It's the best way to help us out, and it will only take you a few seconds. On this note, see you guys soon in a new video. Ciao!